This is breaking news from Japan. Dramatic CCTV footage has captured the terrifying moment a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck, shaking buildings, streets, and homes within seconds. The video shows people rushing for safety as the ground violently trembles. According to officials, the earthquake struck suddenly, triggering strong shaking across affected areas. CCTV cameras recorded shelves collapsing, lights swinging, and residents scrambling to protect themselves. Emergency services were immediately deployed to assess the damage and assist anyone in need. Authorities are also inspecting roads, bridges, and public infrastructure to ensure they remain safe. Officials are urging people to stay alert for possible aftershocks, which can occur after a major earthquake. Residents in affected regions have been advised to follow emergency instructions, avoid damaged buildings, and monitor official updates. At this stage, authorities are continuing to gather information about the impact. Damage assessments and any reports of injuries are still being verified. Japan is one of the world's most earthquake-prone countries due to its location along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Strict building codes and regular disaster preparedness drills help reduce the risks, but powerful earthquakes can still cause significant disruption. We will continue to monitor this developing story and bring you the latest confirmed updates as they become available. If you found this report informative, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss breaking news from around the world. Thank you for watching.